welcome to the baaaaaaap 67 production channel. And in this video, Rudy is going to do some off-roading with his quad in the Kuil in IJmuiden. I just came back from it, so let's see how it went.
Dat ging snel.
The quad that you see here is a 2250cc two-stroke Yamaha. Rudy bought it a few years back and completely rebuilt it. Frame is completely new, powder coated, everything has been replaced. It's brilliant, it's beautiful. He actually has those red roof stickers made for him and it looks great. I love it actually. And now I'm ready for it.
Gonna happen, Rudy. Gonna happen. Don't come down. Now on. Yes. boel with the bar.
Ja, dat is sport op de job, hè?
Ja.
Dit hoort er allemaal bij, hè? Hoort er allemaal bij.
Oh, zie Dori.
Moet een braampje naar de klant.
Someone is trying to phone home a ringtone. Flintstone, I'm bringing fire and brimstone. Kimbo, I'll have a slice of chin bones. See, I've been cloned, nigga be living in limbo. A crescendo, rebel, the pen flow. I'm a digital devil that dwell in Nintendo's hoe. Dabbing the dude on that medicine endo. Like, slevin', I'm cool when I'm capping the windows, bro. Heaven is all I want, 7 devilish hoes. I wanna sever my clothes and get fucked flat on the floor. And so I meddle with those on my level, rebels of coast. From my fucking head to my toes, I'll be bustin' reckless and cold and all. Got that stress in my soul, I confess I'm restless and bold. Possessed by the best on the road, we bustin' them rackets and so we messin' up folks. I'll be broke with a chest made of gold. Like lethal weapon, I load, I unload, several more my nickel.
I stack the hatchet, slashes your back down to your ass crack now. Who was that cat now? Hard to track down, we attack foul. Hyena pack, hear us laugh loud. My rap style was born in the backwood of crack house, where they pull gats out and slap your fat mouth. Real talk, walk the walk and I kill them. They might make millions, but I'm never gon' fill them. Hills of ice pillin', chillin' ice grillin'. Might fill them in your back when the venom's in effect. Veteran night.
Well, that was the end of the video. Unfortunately, the quad broke down before I could ever go myself, and I had to make some exterior shots, but you know, things like that happen. It's 250cc, 2-stroke, these things make a lot of rev, so things tend to break. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, see you guys on the next one. Later.
So, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And talking about more, you can click on one of these 2 videos to see some more from the channel. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Later.